up, Angels? It is Angel, and you cannot hear the background music because I turned off my volume. I had to refilm this a bunch of times because of the game music being very loud, and sometimes you cannot hear my mic because I do sometimes have like a very low voice, so you couldn't be able to hear it in the first clip I was gonna do. So I had to delete that, and I had to make another one, and the music was still too loud, so I just had to freaking turn down the game. Oh, about to turn on the volume. So sadly, you won't be able to hear all of the munching sounds and stuff. You will hear. I will turn it on so you can see it, or not see. Hear it, but you'll be able to hear it. But today in this not role play, but today in this video, we are going to be doing stealing people's food in this new mukbang game that just came out. It's such good quality. It is still testing, so it might be some bugs in here. You can see Fana, she donated some stuff. You can see it in the donation boards. Yeah. But this game is getting really popular and it's about to be done, so we'll be done in a little bit. But let's just get started with the video. All right, let's go. It says, "Hello, please take any seat and click on the tablet on the table to order. Thank you." Okay. Okay, we're gonna just go right to the point. This is like a self thingy, so you can't really see anything. Oh, there's someone talking. Let's see. And you see what I mean? It's very loud, so I'm just gonna turn that down. I might just put it to 2 because it is very. My camera keeps dying, so we're gonna have to get this thing soon. Okay, no one's really eating. Like, come on. Can this guy right here get up? Like, I want that guy to get up. While we wait, we're just gonna. We might have to swap servers sometimes too. But let's just get a order. Just gonna order some ramen. Let's do dumplings with the salmon roe. I'm gonna do all ramen, bro. Okay. See, like that sound just came off. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn the volume down because there are people like literally talking. And I don't want anyone to hear the talking in the background. Okay. Okay, my freaking camera keeps dying on me. Alright, clean table. Stop like leaving your food, but there's Coca-Cola right there, so no drink that. I'm just stealing everybody's food. Okay, there's someone right there. Someone right here. Ugh. Oh my gosh. What is this guy doing right here? Oh, there's a bunch of food right here. Someone left their whole plate of food. Like, they did not eat it. Alright. Gosh, we're here now. Okay, take the chicken. Take me to the moon. 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 Met me in 5D. Do this for the dream. Nah, 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 just for the bag. Hey, but the bag is nice though. Hey, and I'm so grateful. It meant me in 5D. Do this for the dream. Nah, 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 just for the bag. I keep following this person. Oh my gosh. Eat the food. Eat the food. Eat the food. I keep following this guy, like literally. It's so funny. Hey, but the bag is nice though. Hey, and I'm so grateful. Okay, clean the table. Clean it. Ooh, they got some nice food over there. Hey, what's the bag? Yay, food! Yay, food! Thank you. And you look a hot freaking mess. You freaking big back, freaking nasty back self. You piss wick? What is a piss wick? You piglet pisswick. Piglet pisswick. Piglet pisswick. Step on your step. Step on your step. We're both rage rating. Oh, yes, yes. Rage rate him. Yes, yes. Rage rate him. No, we're not going to stop. Hold on, I'm going to type. No. Because it's funny and I'm trying to laugh. I need to get my daily laughs in. Girl, get the freak off. I know you're not stepping on my food. Girl, hold on, let me get on my mic real quick. Let me get on my mic real quick. Let's say, I am though. Bro, why are you so funny? Bro. No. Bro, this is so funny. Rage baited. Go to that to someone else? No, I'm fine. No. No! That is so funny! No! That is so funny. It's not rage bait, you're just annoying. I know, right? I'm about to say, I know, right? That is so funny! That is so funny, bro. I'm dead. This is so funny, bro. Hold on, let me put my phone on the charger. Ding, 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 ding. This is so funny. Yeah, it's on a chicken. Ignore it, girl. You can't ignore it. That is so funny. Oh my god. That is funny. That is funny. I can't. This is so funny. Oh my goodness. That is so funny. Lord, tell me to get that. Bro, this is so funny. This is so funny. Bro, Roblox trying to do it. This is funny. Oh my gosh. I'm a tourist. Stateside. I've been touring stateside. She did it to my cousin, so I'm doing it back. I'm about to do a little lie real quick. Hold on. This is so pure rage bait. I'm over here lying. This is so funny, bro. I mean, you gotta put a little lie in it. It's okay. I mean, that's gonna get the steam going. It's okay. You gotta put a little lie in. I'm gonna put the tags. It's crazy. You, by the way, you are not iconic. I'm about to put you, by the way, you're not iconic. I'm gonna say no, I'm good. I'm dancing right now. She's I didn't do nothing. Never said I was. Your name did. So you are iconic. Are iconic. Because you typed it. You are. Nobody knows you. You are. No one knows you. This is so funny. I'm over here starting a random beef in this game, bro. This is funny. Of what? Of what exactly? You should be blessed. This is a blessing. You're getting fame right now. We'll see you later. It's gonna blessing you funny. It's gonna be soon. Because this is getting clipped. So you'll get fame. I'm trying to help them out for real, but I'm just over here just doing too much. No, I'm gonna do Diva. This is funny. I'm about to say reported. I'm about to say, you will be when you get your fame. I'm just I don't speak that language. I don't speak dog. No dog language. And Roblox, stop freaking doing that. Escalated so quickly. I'm gonna put low height up there. Bro, this escalated so dang quickly. Oh my gosh, the tags! What a fart! Did you record me saying all that? Yes. I'll put yes, because I did. Like, what? thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, even though I started so much drama in here. Like, oh my gosh. This was so funny, and I think you searched my YouTube channel. But if you're watching this, thank you for being a part of this video, even though you did not even know I was recording you. This was so funny, bro. I was dying the whole time. This was so funny. And then the boy was just like, bro, get off. And then the other guy right here was like, beach, get off. This was so funny, bro. I wish you could curse in Roblox. This would be so much funnier if you were allowed to curse, bro. And they would be like literally freaking roasting me so bad. But I'll be roasting them back, but I can't do it because I'm recording and I can't use my mic while recording. But thank you so much for watching this video, angels. Bye, guys. Mwah. Make sure to subscribe, new girl.
High volume.
Am I really that much?